today we're going to a tulip farm and then we're going to a mall. I'll be hanging out with my dad and my brother. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you my outfit. I'm wearing a black. Actually, let me show you in the mirror because it's like right here. So this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this jacket, this tank top, and these pants that my brother gave me, and this little cute keychain from Daiso. And I'm gonna be using Converse. So I hope you guys stick along with me. And let's go. So now we stop here. I got mongoliada and my brother got some tacos. And after this, we're gonna go eat somewhere else. So yeah, and then after that, then we're gonna go to the tulip garden. So yeah. Okay, now we're in a tulip farms. So I'm gonna show you around here and see how everything looks like. Well, now we're gonna go to the food court because it's pretty warm, so we want some drinks. It's cloudy but super warm. So yeah, let's go. So now we bought Dubai strawberry chocolate, so we're gonna try it and see. It's probably gonna taste bomb because it looks bomb. So let's see. Okay, so now we're back home. I changed my outfit, something more comfortable. So now I'm going to show you the blind box that I bought at the mall. This one's the first one, and this one's the second one. I really wanted this one because I wanted to put it on top of my lap. I have one, and my friend gave me that one, and I just want to add another one to it. So, see, I have this one. It's a little sloth. I have this one, so I want to add another one like right here or maybe over here. Let's see which one I get.
I want the bunny one or the pig or the panda or the sheep or the rabbit.
So yeah, let's open it up and see which one we get. Oh my god, it's a little duck. It wasn't the one I wanted, but it's so cute. Look at it. I'm probably still gonna put it on my laptop, so it's gonna be right here, maybe right here. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Or maybe on my tablet. Now it's the next one. We're gonna open this one. This one, I'd rather not get like the green ones because I don't think it'll match my room, but the rest are very pretty. I think I like all of them, so I don't really mind which one I get, to be honest. So let's see which one we're getting. There's a card, so I'm not gonna look at the card. Okay, something fell. This thing fell. Okay.
Which one we get?
Whoa.
No way. This is actually so pretty.
Pretty. Look at her. Oh my, she's so beautiful. Stop. I love it. I'm in love. She's so cute. It just became way better. Look at her. Literally gonna put her one on my shelf because she's so cute. Stop. I'm so happy. The ones I got. I'm gonna show you the one my brother bought because actually I bought for him. So I'm gonna show you. I'll be right back. So this one is the one I bought for my brother. He already
open it. I'm gonna show you which one
he got this one, the city one. I think he's so cute. Look at him. So cute. I like it. So yeah, this is all of them. I'm really happy about this. She's so beautiful. But yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope you liked it and see you on the next one. Bye.